What's a piece of information that completely changed your life? I'll go first. In 2019, I was trying to figure out how to fully support my family. Coincidentally, I was watching the stock market, which I had never touched before 2019, and I noticed that there was a predictable pattern in a stock where I could predict this little rally that would happen within the first 20 minutes of the day. And I see these criteria that happen, and boom, it goes up. It got to the point where I could predict it every day. I learned about options. I learned how to buy and sell them. My friend taught me all about them. So the first day I put in my 1,200, bought some options, jumped up, I sold it for 1,300 and made $100 the first day. I did this every day. I was just like clockwork. It was just happening. Excitedly, I told my friends, taught them. They had the same results. They told their friends and family. They're all calling me. I'm trying to teach people all day, morning, afternoon, and night. And finally I said, I need to make a video that explains this. And I put it on a website called 20mintrader.com. You can totally check it out, see if you like it. And now I will ask you,